If you want to start wholesaling land and you want to get a deal within the next 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to want to start targeting desert land. This is going to be land that's out in Nevada, New Mexico, Arizona, Southern California. Your owners of this land typically don't know what to do with it. Now, the cool thing about desert land is you can get it under contract for crazy prices. You will not believe how many times we'll get 2 to 3 acres of land under contract out in the desert for literally under $1,000, and we'll turn around and flip it for anywhere from $8,000 to $15,000 to people that just want the land for random reasons. I have had buyers buy desert land for me so that they can put chickens on the land, so that they can do camping on the land. There's so many different reasons why buyers will buy desert land, and it's super easy to acquire. So if you want to learn how to start flipping land, go follow my Facebook group. I'm going to put a link in the description for you. It's Land Ninja Academy. I'll be happy to answer questions there, and you can also send me a DM.